Okay guys, so good morning. So welcome back to our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide. So today guys, we will show you how to switch to a mobile app from a desktop. So if you are accessing your Facebook from a desktop, you can switch it to a mobile app mode, and also you can switch to the new Facebook look 2020. So let's start.
Perfect.
So ito yun guys, if you are on desktop, of course your mode is desktop mode. You can click inspect, and then this one, hover over your mouse to this one. It says toggle device toolbar, so you click that. Okay, so there you go. Once you see this, you are in mobile mode. Okay. Once again, okay. And then you just refresh. Hit F5 or click enter. So once you are here, there you go. So this one is a mobile app already. So you can confirm because you can see the circle here. The cursor has changed, so you are now on mobile app. Okay, that's it. So now let's go to the new look of Facebook. Oh, by the way, if you want to revert back to the desktop mode, all you need to do is to once again, let's say if you have closed this one, okay, so you are now on mobile app, diba? Okay, so if you want to revert back to the desktop app, you just right click and then inspect again, and then click this one, toggle device toolbar. So you just click it. Okay, I'm just waiting. Oh, okay, so once you click this one, you just hit refresh or F5, and then close this one. Okay, it's still on mobile app. Let's try again. See? Yep. Okay, there you go. So click F5 and close this one. Let's see, we'll close that one, we'll open a new one. There we go. So it's now on desktop. Okay, so this is the desktop now. So this is the old Facebook look. Okay, so look, how to get to the new Facebook look, you click on the drop down here. And then switch to new Facebook. Okay, one of the features of the new Facebook is you can switch to the dark mode. Okay, but also there's a lot of changes there. You can see now the options here for if you are run pages, if you want to watch videos here. So the messenger here. Okay, so it's a total overhaul of the Facebook. Of the Facebook application for desktop. Okay, so that's how that's how it feels right now for the desktop. And then if you click the drop down again, you will see now the option that you can revert back to the old classic Facebook. So it's the classic Facebook, and there's a new feature here. It says dark mode. So you click that one. Okay. So you are now on dark mode. So the benefit of the dark mode, guys, is that you can save energy or power consumption, and at the same time it is safe on the eyes, especially if it's at night, because you will have a low screen display for the lights. It's not using the white light, so mostly, or definitely you will save power, and also it is safe for the eyes if it's dark around you. So that's the purpose of dark mode. And you can, if you switch to classic Facebook, you can just click the drop down here and then click, then you are back at classic Facebook. Okay, so as you can see guys, the difference is that here, okay, so the icons here are kind of small. Okay, so if we go back to the Facebook, in my experience guys, the new Facebooks, it's a lot faster to use than the old Facebook when it comes to loading. Okay. Switch, it's for me, the user experience is a little faster compared to the old. I don't know, it may depend on your connections. Okay, so thank you once again for watching this short tutorial. If you like it, click subscribe. If you didn't like it, then you can move on. So this is our channel, Job Opportunity Worldwide guys. So we have product reviews, tutorials, and a lot more. So okay, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. I don't know.